Not every time roasted corn or cooked corn. Today I'll be sharing with you another way you can enjoy your corn, okay? Another delicious way you will enjoy this corn. Guys, you are going to love this one. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also leave your comment. Don't forget to share this video, okay? And to my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. And welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank guys for always and always supporting my channel. So guys, let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm keeping it very simple, okay, but then super delicious. So here is my corn. This is my pre-cooked corn. I've already cooked this corn, but it's not yet done, okay. And then this is my beans. I'm using these beans. I've already selected the beans. I've removed the bad ones and then the stones from the beans. And here is my crayfish. Please do not skip this crayfish, okay, it's not optional. So here is my seasoning cube. I'm using Terra. This is my first time trying this seasoning cube and I must say it's so good. So here is my beef. For this you can use fish, you can use any protein of your choice, okay. So and then this is my pepper beef. Here is my onions, my tatashi, my uh, pepper, ginger and garlic. The ginger and garlic there is optional, but then do not skip it, okay. I'm going to start now by heating up some water and then allow this water to come up to a boil before adding in my beans, okay. For parboiling, I'm just going to start by parboiling these beans. I didn't wash the beans, I just added it straight into this boiling water. I'm going to cover and allow this to boil for about 5 minutes, okay. Then I'm going to sieve it out and then put a fresh water on fire. Allow the water to come up to a boil before starting to cook my beans. So guys, here is the fresh water. I'm just going to cover now and allow this water to come up to a boil before starting to cook my beans. So the water is boiling now. I'm going to add in my beans and then I will add in my cooked corn. Like I said, I've already cooked this corn before. This is fresh corn, okay. If you have tried this recipe before, let me know in the comment section, and if you have not, please try it. You are going to love it, okay. You are going to enjoy it. I added this corn together with the beans now because they takes the same time to cook, okay. So I'm going to be adding in onions for some extra flavor, and also onions here help to soften the beans. It helps the beans and the corn to cook very fast. I'm just going to turn this now and I will cover the pot and allow this to cook. While this is cooking, guys, please take a minute to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave your comment for me and help me to share the video, okay. So guys, our beans and corn is cooked now. You can enjoy this plain like this with stew, but no, we are not done yet. It's also delicious with stew. We are not done yet. Look how yummy and delicious this beans is already looking like. So I'm just going to take this down now and I'll start heating up my oil. So for this recipe I use palm oil, but you can use vegetable oil if that is what you want, okay. So I'm just, as the oil is already heated up, I'm adding in my onions. Just adding that onions, go in that much onions as you like, okay. I'm going to stir this, allow these onions to fry for about 2 minutes. So now I'll be adding in my pepper mix, okay. I'm just going to stir and I'll allow this to fry. I didn't really check the time, like the time it took for this pepper mix to fry, but you can just keep checking on it, okay. And I'm just going to stir now, cover and let this fry. Our pepper is already fried now. I'm going to be adding in my crayfish. So you can see the oil floating at the top. That means the pepper mix is ready. So I'll just add in my crayfish. Like I said, Please do not skip this crayfish, okay? Don't skip it, add it, all right? And then I will add in my seasoning cube. I'll go in with my beef now. So this is the time to add in your protein. If you are using fish, smoked fish, okay, this is the time to add it in. So I'm just going to mix this very well now. I will cover and let this fry for few more minutes, okay? Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you please help me to like the video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to share my video, okay? And if you want to appreciate me further, please you can use the thanks button. All right, so now that everything is ready, our sauce is ready, guys. Look how yummy this sauce is already looking like. So I'm just going to stir now, and then it is time for me to add in my cooked beans and corn. I'm just going to add everything, then I will mix everything properly to combine the sauce and the beans and corn together. Like, let everything, guys, look at this pot of goodness, look at this pot of deliciousness, look at this pot of yumminess. See, this thing is so delicious. I want you to try it out. Like, look how easy it's looking, so simple, but then the deliciousness is out of this world. Like, look at this plate of yumminess. Guys, I want you to try this out, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel up to now, please, this is the right time to subscribe. Don't leave this channel without subscribing, and don't leave this channel without liking the video, okay? Don't leave also without sharing this video, guys. Let's taste this food now, okay? Like, this is so good, not because I'm the one that prepared it too, but I'm just telling you the facts. This is so yummy, so delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.